Hey folks, Joel Terrill here with Bell Mortgage, and today is Wednesday. It's October 29th. I hope you're having a great day. Boy, a stock market yesterday had a heck of a day, up almost 900 points. Typically when we see a Federal Reserve cut like we saw today of a half a point, we usually see mortgage-backed securities take a beating, of course, because of the movement from bonds into stocks. Which typically takes a direct opposite effect of cutting interest rates, the federal funds rate, by half a point. You typically see mortgage rates get a little worse. Well, it didn't happen so much today. A lot of the damage was done yesterday. Stock market anticipated this half a point rate cut. We actually weren't quite sure what it was going to be, whether it was going to be a half, a 3/4, or 1%. Ended up being a half today, and as a result, a lot of the pricing was built in today. So we were kind of excited not to see so much damage as we normally would see with mortgages. 30-year fixed mortgages today, October 29th, and again it's hour to hour because things change so drastically, sitting at about 6.5%, which is actually really good, and that's down a little bit from last week. But anyways, wanted to give you an update. If you have a loan process, contact your lender about locking your interest rate. There's so much volatility out there right now. But understand, too, that if you had a loan process, if you wrote a purchase contract last night, there hasn't been too much damage done to mortgage pricing. Now, typically what we also will see when we have a Federal Reserve rate cut, we'll initially see an interest rate increase a little bit because of that flight from bonds into stocks. But then ultimately we see things tick down. Now, the one thing that we're going to really watch, and I'll make this my last comment, is the unemployment figures. Unemployment figures are huge when it comes to interest rates. Typically when unemployment figures come out higher, you do see a flight back into bonds, taking that yield to a position where it drops interest rates. So we're going to watch that very carefully. Right now we're in a position of watching it very carefully. Do watch it daily. If you have any questions, give me a call. The number's 480-753-6100, and this is Joel Terrill with Bell Mortgage. Have a good